Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing, as noted, the Thai-Chinese railway. And I'm going to go ahead and get into the article I saw that caused me to think about making this video. Then I'll get into the analysis. Article is titled, quote, Economic Corridor, unquote, High-Speed Rail System Connecting China, Laos, and Thailand in 2028. This is from the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article quoting, Thailand plans to complete its high-speed rail system that will connect its transportation to China through Laos by 2028. The government stressed its commitment to the project following a meeting between Prime Minister General Prayut Chan-o-cha and Chinese State Councilor and Foreign Minister Wang Yi this week. The Chinese State Councilor asserted that the quote-unquote economic corridor connecting China, Laos, and Thailand will promote logistics, trade, and economic development. A lot of speculation abounds about this. For those that are interested, I urge you to read the rest of that article. There's a lot of good analysis about the actual timelines of how much of this railway we've actually seen constructed, and again, there's a lot of speculation about, some even posit if it will end up being completed. I think ultimately it will, although exactly what it looks like remains to be seen. Meanwhile, the when, 2028, it may be done by then, hard to say. As noted in that article, further in the information quoted or noted therein, we're only really in the very, very initial phases of this thing coming online. The initial sort of phase one, once it's completed, I believe will be between northeastern Thailand down here to Bangkok, before it's sort of then hooked in, or it's supposed to be hooked in to Laos and then onward to China. But again, all of this kind of remains to be seen. So it's going to be interesting to watch. I know there are many, there are geopolitical ramifications to all this, which I don't really want to get into in this video. But I know there are those who are kind of uncertain or apprehensive, especially in kind of the foreign expat community, the Farang expat community, if you want to call it that, the Western expat community. I think ultimately it will probably turn out to be one of those things that in retrospect, people say, wow, we got really kind of worried about that, maybe without a lot of reason. But at the same time, I suspect, being sort of plugged into, the Chinese, more directly plugged into the Chinese economy would presumably have tremendous ramifications on Thailand's economy and possibly on Thailand just in a more general sense, as well as, again, this Belt and Road Initiative that's being worked on throughout Greater Asia, Eurasia, that has tremendous ramifications, and exactly how those ramifications would play out in Thailand remain to be seen. But we'll certainly keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.